Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rajesh Kumar Singh, your science teacher, and I am going to teach biology, and the first unit of biology in class 10 CBSE is known as life process. Students, as you know that in our surroundings there are two kind of living organisms which are found. First one is plants and second one is animals. Students, there are huge difference between plants and animals. As we know that plants are stationary, so plants does not move from one place to another place, but animals are mobile structure and animals can move from one place to another place. Plants cannot move from one place to another place. But there are different type of movements which are found in plants. That movements are due to growth, which are seen by our naked eye. We can see the certain movements in plants which are caused due to growth. But animals can move from one place to another place with the help of their locomotory organelle. Students, as we know that in our surroundings there are two different types of living organisms. First one is plants and second one is animals. Students, in both living organisms there are certain process which takes place for their survival. All living organisms can survive on this earth, and there are certain process behind the survival. So we can say that there are certain process, there are certain functions that takes place in the living creatures, and that process are known as life process. So we can easily define the life process. Life process are the certain process which are essential to survive on this earth. स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो लाइफ प्रोसेस है, इस लाइफ प्रोसेस के कारण ही सभी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स इस अर्थ पे सरवाइव करते हैं. यानी हम ये कह सकते हैं बच्चों कि लाइफ प्रोसेस के कारण ही हमारे आसपास जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं, जितने भी एनिमल्स हैं, ये सभी सरवाइव रहते हैं. तो चलिए आज के क्लास में हम लोग लाइफ प्रोसेस को स्टार्ट करते हैं, और ये वीडियो स्पेशली सीबीएसई क्लास 10th के बच्चों के लिए है. दैट वीडियो इज़ ओनली फॉर सीबीएसई क्लास 10th. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डिफाइन द लाइफ प्रोसेस. स्टूडेंट्स, in our surroundings, students, in our surroundings there are two kind of in our surroundings there are two kind of organisms. In our surroundings there are two kinds of organism which are seen by our naked eye, that is plants and second one is animals. Okay students, as we know that in our surroundings there are two kinds of organisms which are seen by our naked eye, that is plants and animals. both are living organisms. Both are living organisms. As we know that plants and animals both are living organisms, both are living creatures which are found on this earth, which are found on this planet, and both perform life process. Plants can manufacture their food, plants also respire, plants can also transport certain materials, certain substance from one place to another place. So we can say that in plants and animals there are certain functions which takes place in their body, and these functions are essential for their survival. So we can say that life process are, so we can easily define the life process. Life process are certain functions. Life process are certain functions. Life process are certain functions which are essential for their survival. Okay students, this is the simple definition. Life process are certain functions which are essential for their survival on this earth, or we can write or not. This statement is correct. Life process are certain functions which are essential for their survival. Students, there are different processes which are present in plants and animals, and these process helps in their survival of living organisms. तो बच्चों वो कौन कौन से ऐसे फंक्शंस हैं, वो कौन कौन से ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस हैं जो किसी भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को इस अर्थ पे सरवाइव करता है, तो हम लोग एक लिस्ट बनाएंगे. द फर्स्ट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज न्यूट्रिशन. फर्स्ट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज न्यूट्रिशन. न्यूट्रिशन इज important life process by which we can take food and digest the food materials to get energy. Second one is respiration. Second process is known as respiration. Third process is known as transportation. Fourth process is known as excretion. Fourth process is known as excretion. So these four process which are taken in your syllabus, these process are included in your chapter life process. The first one is nutrition, second one is respiration, third one is transportation, and fourth one is excretion. Nutrition that takes place in our body in a specialized system, in a specialized organ system. That organ system is known as digestive system. When we talk about the organ system, these functions, these important process occurs in a specialized organ system. So we can write the digestive system. As we know that in digestive system food material is digested, so we can say that nutrition takes place in digestive system. In the same way, respiration takes place in respiratory system. We can write the respiratory system. We can write the respiratory system. So respiration takes place in a certain organ system which is known as respiratory system, and the third process is known as transportation, which also takes place in circulatory system. The fourth process is known as excretion, and as we know that excretion also takes place in a specialized organ system which is known as excretory system, which is known as excretory system. So students, we know that there are certain functions that takes place in a specialized organ system. So we can write here nutrition that perform in digestive system, respiration that perform in respiratory system, transportation that perform in circulatory system, and excretion that perform in excretory system. Students, as you know that in complex animals, in chordates, there are different organ system which is highly developed, and these organ system perform the specific function. But in case of simple organisms, in case of lower organisms, there are lack of organ system. So in those organisms, this process takes place in a certain cell or in a certain tissues. So we can tell that in complex organisms, as like human beings is a complex organism, and we have a different organ system. First one is digestive system, second one is respiratory system, third one is circulatory system, fourth one is excretory system, and this organ system performs the certain tasks, performs the certain process. So we can say that life process are the important process which are essential for survival of living organisms that takes place on this earth. तो आप इस पॉइंट्स को नोट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन नोट द certain points which are written on the whiteboard. Students, in the next video lecture, we are going to start the important process which is known as nutrition. So in the next video, I will teach you nutrition. तो मिलते हैं हम लोग अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.